Practice emergency park. Signal to the right, check your rear view mirror, check your right outside mirror, check your right blind spot, then pull over to the right as far as you can off the road. Make a complete stop with the steering wheel straight. Apply the parking brake, place the gear selector to park, cancel the right signal, and then apply the four-way hazards. And just hold the steering wheel and keep your foot on the brake. Now it's time to go. Get rid of the four-way hazards, get rid of the parking brake, place the gear selector to drive, signal to the left, check the rear view mirror, the left outside mirror, and the left blind spot, and then if it's safe, you gradually move back onto the road surface. When both tires are on the road surface, then you go. You're gone. Cancel your signal. And that's it.